Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum on this Tuesday night.
Wish it was Wednesday.
Wow, is the rain moving out?
It is right now, yes. We're not looking at as much in the way of rain. The eastern part of the state still has a little bit some light rain showers out there, but we are gearing up for a nice little treat weather-wise here for July, and it's a break in the humidity. Not yet, though. Right now, it's ridiculously sticky and disgusting with the humidity outside, to be honest, right? You know what I'm talking about. Live look from our Birmingham BJCC camera. Cloudy sky for downtown, temperatures 84 degrees. The clouds and rain really have to keep those temperatures in check for today. A little breezy south wind to 13, but the dew point 74 here in Birmingham. Some areas, the dew points are 78 from Tuscaloosa to Moundville, back to Asheville. How about 79 Gadsden, Talladega? In some places, it got even to the 80s today, which is more or less air you can wear. It's so sticky out there. But with the clouds, temperatures have kept them in the 70s, 80s, and yes, a few 90s. Over toward Fayette at 94, 90 in Hamilton. Still feels like 100 Jasper in Tuscaloosa to 98 in Moundville, but most of us, not too bad. Little upper 90s there from Gadsden, Asheville, and Talladega, even though we have the clouds because the humidity is just so high. So we do have heat advisory until 7 o'clock. You have another about 45 minutes, but I don't think we're going to even worry about that because we're not going to get to those numbers of 105 to 110 anymore for the day. And that's because the clouds and the rain coming through. Now, there's still some showers, Pell City, Ennis, and Talladega. Few more storms down toward Montgomery in the Auburn area. All of this really light rain as it works its way through Howells Cove, Talladega, back to Waldo, Munford area, back toward Anniston, Delta, Heflin, Lineville. Again, some much needed rain with the dry conditions out there, but really not much to this here. You can see basically, we'll put a little track on these here storms, showers, if you want to call it that. But in reality, though, you can see here this little cluster of some storms kind of working the way through near the Lineville area. That's going to still kind of move off to the northeast toward Wedowee, Woodland area. That's moving about, say, 25 miles per hour. Gets over to Wedowee there, right around 624, over toward Ava around 626. Chocolaco around 627 for you. Heflin around 637. So, again, a little bit of some rain if you're going out this evening. Just plan accordingly. Could see a couple of showers. Rest of us are pretty much dry here, and you can see for the rest of the evening, this is what Futurecast looks like. A little aggressive with the rain. I don't think we'll see this much more. Most of it out of here by 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. We're practically dry. Still quite muggy out there, and the cloud cover will persist overnight tonight as we wait for a front to work its way into the area, and that'll happen as we get into tomorrow morning. So the rest of the evening, we'll see these temperatures from 83 at 7 o'clock to 77 at 11 o'clock. A small chance for a sprinkle or shower popping up across the area. Overnight tonight, how about middle 60s to the north, 71 degrees here, upper 60s, lower 70s for just about everybody. But then here comes this cold front. That is going to work its way across the area for tomorrow, pushing the tropical moisture out and bringing the less humid air in. And as this works its way into the area tomorrow morning, we'll feel the wonderful, drier, less humid air for Wednesday afternoon and evening, Thursday all the way through Friday as some very comfortable air continues to move in. Unfortunately for the weekend, it does creep back up to the oppressive category, so not going to be totally dry and comfortable, but much better than what it feels like outside right now. So for tomorrow, we'll start at 72 at 7 a.m., get to about 89. That's it for a high temperature here tomorrow, and much of the area in the upper 80s, a few lower 90s the farther off to the west you go. But look at the heat index, maybe a degree or two warmer than the actual air temperature, and that's really about it. Now looking ahead though, with that dry air, not an issue with the heat index through Friday. Over the weekend, it gets hot. 98, 97 Saturday and Sunday, lows in the middle 70s before muggier weather and some storms return for the early part of next week. Sherry?